In 1979, an 18-year-old college student by the name of Grace Gold was struck and killed by a falling brick in Manhattan's Upper West Side. This was only the beginning of a crisis that continues to grow with the aging of New York City's brick infrastructure. It has caused injury, lawsuits, and even death. Due to the increased risk posed by falling bricks, the city has been forced to take action. The New York Department of Buildings keeps track of every compromised facade. Every dot on this map represents a building that has been declared dangerous by the city's government and has yet to be repaired. Due to the traditionally high cost associated with brick repair, many building owners have elected to simply erect scaffolding and keep it up indefinitely. This has cost the city an estimated $37 million a year. That is $37 million spent to simply delay the repair of New York City's historic architecture. And because many of these buildings were built over a century ago, more buildings are being declared dangerous every year. Currently, over 2,300 buildings have been left unsafe, according to the city's government, representing over 170 miles of unsafe brick walls. As of 2019, New York City has over 1 million square feet of needed brick repair. Which begs the question, if we could significantly reduce the cost and labor associated with brick repair, could we make every brick building in New York City safe again? Thanks to innovations from Thor Helical, that is now possible. Instead of using traditional methods which require tearing down and repairing an entire wall, Thor Helical ties can be used to reinforce the brick wall, creating structural integrity that will last as long, or longer than the original facade. By spending slightly more on materials, contractors could cut labor time and associated costs by a staggering 95%. And completely eliminate any need for costly disposal services, meaning that contractors can spend just 1/10 of the amount of a traditional brick repair while completing the project faster than they ever imagined. And what's more, is that Thor Helical's solutions can be used to repair every type of brick facade, meaning that no matter what is in danger of falling off of a building, Thor Helical has a low-cost solution that can be completed with minimal labor. This presents an incredible opportunity for architects, engineers, and contractors. We have a city put in danger by the buildings that surround them. Thousands of building owners that are hesitant to pay massive repair costs. And a profitable solution that can solve everyone's problems. If you would like to be a part of the solution to help New York City restore its historic beauty and sell your services to the most iconic architecture in the world, then contact Thor Helical USA today. Customers who contact us directly will receive a free set of leads to every high-priority building in the city.